Hi guys. Let's start with drop shipping with eBay. Registration as private, professional. If you want to do drop shipping on eBay, the first thing you have to do is complete your registration. You will be asked for an email address, a phone number, the first and last name, and a password. If you register as a professional, you should add the name, legal form and registration number of your company. If you are a beginner, I advise you to start as an individual. After, you can start selling as a professional. Online posting and description of new products. You can put products online, up to 50 items for free per month. Beyond, you can always add other items for 35 € each. It is very important to work on your SEO. The importance of images for the sale of your product is noted. You can create your own unique, high-quality images. It is important to note that eBay has an 8% commission on the final sale price, which is retained only after the sale has been completed, up to a maximum of €200. These values are different for the engine category. If you want to automatically synchronize eBay with Big Buy, catalog, stock, send and carriers, orders, price, the best way is to do it via a multi-channel integration platform. This tool is perfectly integrated with eMarketplace and avoids the manual work of CSV files. Choose a payment method. PayPal is the most recommended by eBay. This pioneering company in online payments enjoys a good reputation and the system is recommended and recognized by millions of users every day. Sale and delivery of article. Before sending your article, it is recommended to verify that the payment has been made. Once you have made sure of this, log in to your admin panel and mark the command as sent. In our case, since we do drop shipping, we have to manage the order with the supplier and make the shipment directly from his address to the customer's home. You must always make sure that the shipment is made under your brand name and the neutral packaging boxes. The customer should not know, and certainly will not appreciate to discover that you are using a drop shipping system. Evaluations. To keep the eBay community active and secure, it is important to provide purchase and buyer ratings. This will be reciprocal and you will also be evaluated as a seller. In a market where items can be very similar, having a high rate of positive feedback can be a benefit and help you achieve more sales. The disadvantage is that if mistakes are made, they will be shared with the rest of the community and will be visible forever on your profile and in vendor ratings. Find good products and a good drop shipping supplier. This is definitely the key to success. Before learning how to do drop shipping, strictly speaking, you must clearly know which products you are going to sell and who will be your drop shipping supplier. There is fierce competition on eBay and other e-marketing platforms. The difference is small details about the product and the potential customer will pay particular attention to two things: price and delivery time. It is essential to have a good drop shipping provider to be able to optimize these 2 points. First, you need to find a supplier who has attractive products that can be purchased on the internet. Above all, you need competitive prices to which you can add your profit margin and always have a reasonable final selling price for the public. If on top of that you have the best possible delivery terms, we are referring to costs and conditions, it is likely that your potential customers will ultimately choose you. Dropshipping on eBay, things to know before you begin. Benefits of practicing dropshipping on eBay. Very high user traffic. Good reputation with the consumer. Good positioning and promotion. By selling on eBay, you can use all the power of this marketplace to promote your products. Advanced user experience. By selling on eBay, you will provide your customers a user experience. Fast web browsing, easy payment, etc., which is very complicated to have with e-commerce. Disadvantages of practicing dropshipping on eBay. Strong competition. Depend on eBay's requirements. If eBay decides to block your account, or restrict it, you will have to pay commissions. How to start practicing dropshipping on eBay. You must first have a pro account. If you start selling with the standard account, you will have to pay a fee for each ad you publish. In addition, you will pay a commission for each item you sell. If you want to publish a small amount of ads, this may be a good solution. eBay Store. There are 3 different eBay stores: Basic, Advanced or Premium. Each has a fixed monthly cost, which ranges from €19.50 to €149.50, and, depending on what you choose, will be able to publish a series of ads for free. If you exceed this maximum number of free ads, you will have to pay an additional fee. It is interesting to calculate how much you are trying to sell per month and calculate the profitability of each. How to choose a supplier. Dropshipping is a strategy in which the supplier takes on an undeniable importance. Choose a supplier who is used to working with eBay. Each marketplace has its own rules. It is therefore better for your supplier to know them in advance and to be ready to give you an answer. Synchronization options, from your account with your provider's catalog. There are different ways to do it, and each provider offers some of them. The main way is through CSV files, but some vendors offer automated platforms that make integration much simpler. It can also be interesting to do it via an API, but that means having some programming knowledge, or asking someone who has them. Once you've created your account, choose your provider and sync the catalog. You'll need to review costs and margins. Costs and margins when you practice dropshipping on eBay will be the difference between your PVP and the wholesale price at which you buy the product you supply. For example, if you buy from your supplier dropshipping headphones at €6 and resell them at 10, your profit will be those €4 difference. What are the best marketplaces for dropshipping? By selling on eBay, there are certain fees that you must take into account. All marketplaces establish a series of commissions, be it a monthly price, a sales commission or any other system to make a profit. Conclusion. Practicing dropshipping on eBay is a very good option for making profits with online sales. We have presented some key aspects to consider when selling in your marketplace. That's all for today. See you in another video.